Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you our hackathon award-winning mobile application that my team and I developed. This application is a community-driven cleanup app called TrashTitans. It's packed with features that gamify trash collection, both for community events and for everyday cleanup efforts. The goal is to make environmental action fun, collaborative, and rewarding. To get started, you're asked to create an account, but I already created one, so we'll just sign in with that. And all of this is handled through our database's authentication system, which we're using Firebase for our backend. Now, once we've logged in, as you can see, this is the home page, which lets you take a photo to report trash locations. For example, we're just gonna use a Red Bull in this case because this was at a hackathon and we had plenty of those. And the picture then gets processed using OpenAI's Vision API, which lets you run inference on all sorts of things. In our case, we set it up to detect trash items and count how many there are to indicate the severity of the trash. If the AI doesn't detect any trash, however, it simply won't let you report anything. Now I'll just put a simple description. And once I submit that, as you can see, I've gained 10 points for my report. That brings me to my Titan. This is where you can use your points to unlock different cosmetic items for your Titan. And there are a ton of different customizations you can do here. I'm gonna buy this crew neck. And your character will actually appear on our map along with any nearby trash locations you can go collect. You can click on the markers and get more information on them and even get directions to them. We also have our achievements page, which gives you bonus points based on your progress, and our leaderboard for tracking performance and giving participants some bragging rights. Now, I'll log into my teammate's account to clean up the trash you just saw me report. As you can see, my teammate has a completely different Titan than mine, and he can unlock more cosmetics as he earns points. Those changes are also reflected on the leaderboard. Anyways, let's get back on the map and clean up the trash. This is where you can find trash that you can claim. The reason we have this claiming feature is to prevent two people from traveling to the same location and wasting time, especially for spots that are further away. Once you claim it, you have 4 hours to complete the cleanup before the task is released back to others. Then here, you take your completion photo and you'll receive points for the cleanup. As you can see, my points just went up to 70. This application was developed using React Native, and like I said earlier, we used Firebase as our backend. And this app can also scale into localized community events where people compete to clean up specific areas. You know, points earned during the event could translate into rewards at the end based on the leaderboard rankings. There's a lot of different possibilities with this app, but with all that being said, thank you for sticking around and watching our demo, and I hope you have a great day.